Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. January 2nd, 2026. Happy New Year. Today's important news includes 1. From drones on the Ukrainian battlefield to energy facilities in Texas, 70-year-old former Google CEO Eric Schmidt is profoundly reshaping the competitive landscape of the AI era with a full-stack perspective. 2. DeepSeek launches efficient MHC architecture. 3. NVIDIA and Meta merger rumors surface ahead of CES. Now, let's start the main text. 1. OpenAI is shifting toward an audio-first future by restructuring its internal teams to prioritize voice-driven interaction for its upcoming hardware devices. The company plans to release a new audio model in early 2026 that features natural tones and full duplex capabilities for real-time human interaction. This software evolution is designed to support a screenless, AI companion device developed in collaboration with designer Johnny Ive. 2. DeepSeek has introduced the MHC, Manifold-Constrained Hyperconnections, architecture to enable the stable training of massive models at a significantly lower cost. By applying geometric constraints to signal flow, this new framework prevents gradient divergence in deep networks without adding substantial computational overhead. This innovation signals a strategic shift toward using algorithmic efficiency rather than brute force hardware spending to compete with global rivals. 3. In Ukraine, autonomous killer drones like the Bumblebee are being deployed to strike targets even when electronic interference cuts off human control. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt has become a central figure in this effort, providing funding and technical expertise for AI-driven systems that can navigate and attack independently. This rapid, battlefield-driven innovation is turning the conflict into a laboratory for future AI warfare, raising urgent global ethical and security concerns. 4. Anthropic's Claude code utilizes a minimalist, while-loop architecture that prioritizes the raw reasoning power of models like Claude 3.7 Sonnet over complex engineering scaffolds. The tool leverages universal interfaces like Bash for task execution and utilizes unified diffs to modify code efficiently while minimizing token usage. It also features a structured to-do list mechanism that allows the agent to plan, track progress, and self-correct without the need for hard-coded control flows. 5. GR-Dexter is a universal bimanual robot system developed by ByteDance that features 21 DOF tactile hands capable of long-horizon manipulation. The system utilizes a 4 billion parameter vision language action (VLA) model trained on a mix of web-scale data and cross-embodiment robot demonstrations. Experiments show that the robot can generalize to unseen objects and complex instructions, successfully performing tasks like using tools or handling delicate items. 6. SoftBank Group has entered a $4 billion agreement to acquire DigitalBridge, aiming to secure the physical infrastructure necessary for the AI era. This acquisition allows SoftBank to transition from a pure equity investor to a direct owner of data centers, fiber networks, and power access rights. Masayoshi Son views these assets as the critical physical hub for his long-term vision of achieving artificial superintelligence. 7. Eric Schmidt has launched Volt Data and Energy to address the critical power bottleneck facing AI by vertically integrating land, energy, and data centers. Partnering with Texas Pacific Land, the venture aims to build 10 GW scale data center parks in West Texas powered by natural gas, renewables, and eventually nuclear energy. Schmidt believes that controlling energy and infrastructure is now more vital than algorithm development for maintaining national competitiveness in the AI race. 8. The AI Wrapped for 2025 highlights 14 essential terms, such as reasoning models and agentic AI, marking the industry's shift from hype to practical autonomy. Challenges like the data wall and model collapse have emerged as major hurdles, questioning the sustainability of using synthetic data to scale future models. Additionally, regulatory milestones like California's SB 1047 have sparked global debates on how to balance safety governance with rapid technological innovation. 9. Leading up to CES 2026, massive deals have reshaped the industry, including NVIDIA's $20 billion agreement to integrate Grok's high-throughput inference technology. Meta acquired the intelligent agent startup Manus for $2 billion to evolve its platforms from simple chatbots into task-performing digital assistants. Simultaneously, Netflix acquired Ready Player Me to establish a cross-platform identity layer for its future expansion into immersive and social content. That's all for today's news summary. For the full news story and original webpage link, please see the video description. Thank you for listening. See you next time.